What's up? Auto Fanatic wheel cleaning demonstration. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. My buddy just got his wheels on the Civic Type R powder coated white. Just want to show you guys, we're going to do a touchless system here with the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaning foam. You can just see it there. I mean, white wheels are pretty obvious. You're going to see what's going on. Same thing with silver and anything that's bright. So we're going to load it up in the foam cannon. We're going to zap all the wheels. We're going to hit it with the turbo nozzle, and we're going to blow with the Eco blower. So here's the video right now. You can see it right there. This is with no agitation, there's no wax and no ceramic coating. And that's the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaning foam. Probably about 2 ounces in the MTM PF22. You can see that right there. This is definitely a cool demonstration just to show you guys what it does on a set of freshly powder coated white OZ Racing wheels. You can see that there. That's the coolest thing I think about this product, is that you can actually see the results. You know, a lot of, like with the iron activated products, this stuff is disgusting to use and it turns purple, but you know, a lot of people like to see the results. And I think seeing the dirt fall off on a white background is just way cooler, and there's no fumes, and it just works awesome. So let's get that thing ready to go. In the middle. You guys can see that. It's 100% touchless with the turbo nozzle. Civic Type R with big Brembo brakes. So that was the Auto Fanatic professional wheel cleaning foam demonstration. Haven't done one for a while, and you guys can see here, these are the pure white Honda Civic Type R with the six pot Brembos in the front, Evan?
4.
These are 4-pot Brembos in the front, freshly powder coated white OZ Racing wheels with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. So you guys can see that there.
Championship white.
Yeah, championship white, 100% touchless. There was no brushes used, just a turbo nozzle, 2 ounces of the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaning foam. That's the deal. So if you guys want to order it, visit the Auto Fanatic website or check out the remaining stock on Amazon.com. Ships Prime in 2 days. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more content, and please subscribe to the Auto Fanatic channel, and I'll see you guys in a new video real soon.